Hello, and welcome to my channel, where I share interesting facts and stories about science, technology, and history. Today, I'm going to talk about the top 10 NASA inventions that you use in your everyday life. You might not know this, but NASA has been responsible for many inventions and innovations that we use daily. Some of them are so common that we take them for granted, but they have made our lives easier, safer, and more enjoyable. Let's find out what they are. Number 10. Water filters. Did you know that the water filters that you use in your home or office were originally developed by NASA? That's right, NASA needed a way to provide clean and safe drinking water for astronauts in space, so they developed a system that used charcoal to absorb pollutants and particulate matter present within the water. This technology is now widely used in home and commercial water filtration systems, ensuring that we have access to pure and healthy water. Number 9. Microprocessors. Microprocessors are the brains of computers, smartphones, and many other devices that we use daily. They are small chips that contain millions of transistors that process data and instructions. But did you know that NASA played a key role in improving microprocessors? NASA did not invent the integrated circuit, but they improved it by making it smaller, faster, and more reliable for the Apollo program. This enabled them to send humans to the moon and explore the solar system. Thanks to NASA, we now have powerful and portable devices that can perform complex tasks. Number 8. Crash helmets. If you ride a bike, a motorcycle, or play any contact sport, you probably wear a crash helmet to protect your head from injuries. But did you know that crash helmets were inspired by NASA? NASA created a special foam material called temper foam that could conform to the shape of the body and absorb shock and vibration. This material is now used in crash helmets, sports equipment, and medical devices to protect people from injuries. Number 7. Cordless tools. Cordless tools are very convenient and handy for household, workshop, and construction purposes. They allow us to drill, screw, cut, and sand without being limited by cords or batteries. But did you know that cordless tools were invented by NASA? NASA needed a way to power tools in space without cords or batteries, so they developed a rechargeable system that used a magnetic motor and a nitrogen gas generator. This system was used by astronauts to collect rock samples from the moon and repair satellites in orbit. Number 6. Scratch-resistant and UV protective lenses. If you wear eyeglasses or sunglasses, you probably appreciate the fact that they are scratch-resistant and UV protective. This means that they can withstand minor scratches and protect your eyes from harmful ultraviolet rays. But did you know that these features were developed by NASA? NASA developed a special coating for the plastic lenses used in space helmets and equipment, making them more scratch-resistant and UV protective. This coating is now applied to eyeglasses, cameras, and other consumer products that use lenses. Number 5. LED innovations. LED stands for light-emitting diode, which is a semiconductor device that emits light when an electric current passes through it. LEDs are widely used in lighting, displays, medical devices, and agriculture. But did you know that NASA pioneered many LED innovations? NASA used LEDs to grow plants in space and to treat wounds and muscle pain in astronauts. LEDs are more energy efficient, durable, and versatile than traditional light sources. Number 4. Infrared thermometers. Infrared thermometers are devices that can measure the temperature of an object or a person without touching them. They work by detecting the infrared radiation emitted by the object or person and converting it into a temperature reading. Infrared thermometers are useful for health and veterinary purposes, as they can quickly check for fever or infection without causing discomfort or contamination. But did you know that infrared thermometers were invented by NASA? NASA invented a device that could measure the temperature of stars and planets by detecting their infrared radiation. This device was later adapted for medical and industrial applications. Number 3. Freeze-dried foods. Freeze-dried foods are foods that have been preserved by removing water from them by freezing and vacuuming them. Freeze-dried foods can last for years without spoiling or losing their nutritional value. They are also lightweight and easy to prepare by adding water. Freeze-dried foods are popular for camping, hiking, and emergency situations. But did you know that freeze-dried foods were invented by NASA? NASA needed a way to preserve food for long-term space missions, so they developed this process. Some of the first freeze-dried foods used by astronauts were ice cream, bacon, and coffee. Number 2. Better baby formula. Baby formula is a manufactured food that is designed to meet the nutritional needs of infants who cannot breastfeed. Baby formula contains various ingredients such as milk, water, sugar, vitamins, and minerals. But did you know that baby formula was improved by NASA? NASA-funded research that discovered a natural source of docosahexaenoic acid, DHA, and arachidonic acid, ARA, which are essential for brain and eye development in infants. These fatty acids are now added to baby formula to improve its nutritional value. Number 1. Foil blankets. Foil blankets are thin sheets of plastic coated with a metallic layer that can reflect heat and protect people from extreme temperatures. Foil blankets are used by emergency workers, athletes, and outdoor enthusiasts to prevent hypothermia or overheating. But did you know that foil blankets were invented by NASA? NASA created these sheets for the Apollo program to protect astronauts from the cold and heat of space. Foil blankets are also known as space blankets because of their origin and appearance. I hope you enjoyed this video and learned something new. If you did, please give it a thumbs up and subscribe to my channel for more videos like this. Also, let me know in the comments which NASA invention surprised you the most. Thank you for watching and see you next time.